Hey, Hog Bear here. It's Tuesday, it's time for some camp cooking. And look here, my lens keeps hazing over, so if we get fuzzy, I'll try to wipe it off. But it's time to camp cook, I'm hungry. And today I found some inspiration on a packet of Knorr. That's right, the old Knorr pasta sides. I found inspiration on the back. So here's that recipe. And this is how I'm gonna do it up backpacker style. So the ingredients you need to bring this together are going to be some chicken, rosemary, pepper, olive oil, a dehydrated vegetable. The recipe calls for green beans, but I had vegetable soup mix handy. Your Knorr rice side, and I'm going to use a lemon wedge. We're going to cook it up in the old GI canteen cup. I got my canteen with some water and my spoon, and let's get to cooking. Now for starters, about 45 minutes ago, I got my vegetables hydrating, so they'll cook up nicely with the meal. Alright, to kick this puppy off, we need 2 cups of water. There's 1 cup plus vegetables. There's a 2nd cup. We need some fire action. Come on. Now I'm starting to see some bubbles come up around the edges. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the pasta. I'm going to hit her with some nice black pepper. The old Knorr rice side is going to fill up your canteen cup. I'm going to back off some of that heat so hopefully we don't boil over and make a mess. I have a sneaking suspicion I'm going to forget to record the next part. So in the next clip you'll notice I've added a nice palmful of dried rosemary and some olive oil to replace the butter in the recipe. You could also use ghee. And I'm going to let a piece of dehydrated lemon just kind of simmer there on the surface a little bit to replace that squeeze of lemon juice. Alright, pasta's about done with its cook time. I'm going to put my chicken right here in the bowl, and we're just going to pour that hot water on there, that hot pasta, and mix it around and let it heat the chicken through. So lastly, we're going to discard the lemon wedge, and then we wait. These Knorr sides have to sit up for a couple minutes before you eat them. Now when your Knorr sides first come off the stove, they're going to be runny. They got to sit for a few minutes and thicken up. And there we go. Chicken rosemary for the trail. This is a meal that'll probably feed 2. Or 1 hardy hiker. Go in for the bite. Heck yeah. There we go. Rosemary chicken pasta for the trail. And we'll see you on the trail.